Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain why you cannot directly erase transactions on Cash App and what your actual options are. It is important to understand that Cash App transactions are designed to be permanent records. This ensures security for all users and complies with essential financial regulations. You will not find a delete button for past payments. Instead, we will explore practical ways to manage your transaction history effectively, focusing on privacy and problem resolution. Financial services, including Cash App, are legally required to maintain a comprehensive record of all transactions. This policy is not unique to Cash App. It is a standard practice across the industry. These permanent records are vital for preventing fraudulent activities and ensuring that any disputes can be investigated thoroughly and fairly. They create an immutable financial log, which protects both the sender and the receiver in every single interaction. While you cannot permanently erase a transaction, you do have the option to hide specific entries from your personal activity feed within the app. To do this, simply open Cash App, navigate to the Activity tab, select the transaction you wish to hide, and then tap the three dots or the option to hide. Remember, hiding only affects your view. The transaction remains fully recorded and visible to Cash App and the other party involved. Now, let's test the heater circuit within the O2 sensor. Set your multimeter to the resistance setting, represented by the omega symbol. Connect the red and black leads to the two wires responsible for the heater element. These are usually the same color. A functioning heater circuit should display a reading between 1 and 5 ohms. An out-of-range or infinite reading indicates a bad heater.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.